A pump doesn't start with pressure or flow. It starts with molten metal and precision planning. The body is cast, often from ductile or cast iron. The mold defines strength, the alloy defines endurance. Then comes machining. Every surface must be precise. Impeller balance, shaft alignment, bearing seats, no room for error. Shaft, impeller, seals, bearings, all must fit with micron precision. Even a tiny misalignment can shorten pump life. Fasteners are torqued, seals are pressure tested. If it's a coupled system, motor alignment is critical. Each finished pump is tested under load. Flow, pressure, vibration, noise levels, all recorded. No unit leaves without verification. The difference between a pump that runs 6 months and one that runs 6 years is everything that happens before it leaves the factory. We bring precision to life at Fluidemy by Ebitt.